We're an egg company that was founded in 1958. Traceability in the egg industry is so important, as in any food industry, and food safety is our number one thing. So, for example, at DA Hall & Co, we have to be able to trace our product down to potentially the feed within 2 hours of us getting a product given to us. We really have to have robust systems that tie in together to be able to fully trace that product. Without the reliability that Insignia provides, we wouldn't be able to do what we do.
Insignia has been a partner with DA Hall for over 15 years. Throughout that time, we've helped optimise their factory through our areas of expertise, which is coding and labelling. In the egg industry, traceability is absolutely essential to ensure a safe supply chain from the moment an egg is laid right through to when it's purchased by a consumer. The four main areas DA Hall needed our expertise with was eggshell coating, inner pack egg carton coating, TUN labelling and coding, and SSCC pallet labelling.
Every egg needs to have a code on it. If they don't have the code on the egg and there's somebody that gets sick or there's a complaint from a customer, we've got to be able to trace that somehow back into our system. We're a 365-day operation, and to date, Insignia has never let us down. At a drop of a hat, we can pick up the phone, call for support, and we have somebody here.
For eggshell coating, Insignia provided the Domino A520i. Firstly, it was able to integrate seamlessly with the MOBA grader, but also provide that security around food safety using a food grade ink. For coating on egg cartons, Insignia recommended the Domino thermal inkjet in conjunction with a tailor-made traversing system. The benefits of thermal inkjet is its ability to print high resolution code at very fast speeds and requires very little ongoing maintenance.
Honestly, it's been a much cleaner, much simpler system, less training involved, and a lot more reliability and uptime.
The third piece of the puzzle was the requirement for outer case coding and labelling. To keep consistency with the rest of the factory, Insignia recommended the Domino thermal inkjet coder in order to do date and batch coding. For TUN labelling, Insignia recommended the Domino M series to print and apply labels to GS1 standards on both sides of the carton. The final piece of the puzzle was the pallet. For this application, Insignia recommended the Domino M series swing arm to apply SSCC labels to the front and the back of the pallet.
We were a 7-day-a-week operation, 365 days a year. We're able to run 5 days a week now at a higher rate of output. And that higher rate of output allows us to actually give the staff Christmas off, for example, for the first time in 62 years. So it's quite exciting. The long-term benefits of the equipment that Insignia has given us is reliability and uptime. So when we enter into an agreement, it's not something that you're buying that'll last you a week or 2 weeks or 3 months. You're looking at commitment for years to come. So for us, it's a no-brainer to bring Insignia on board with us.